Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you guys are all well and keeping safe. And if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Shauna. Have a look around what I do on this channel. I do a lot of makeup looks, fashion, lifestyle, and so on and so forth. So I do hope you'll enjoy your stay on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. It's down there. Just click that button, and whilst you're there, turn your notifications on so you never miss an upload from this channel. And of course, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video. Okay guys, so I am so excited. This summer, the sun is shining, the weather is kind of sweet, and I'm just feeling good. It's so, guys, listen, to be alive is a wonderful thing, and I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling fit, I'm feeling healthy, I'm feeling strong, I'm feeling great. So I'm very grateful and thankful just for that. Okay guys, so by the title you see that I'm going to be doing a haul from a brand. It's an online store called Shein. They were known back in the days as Sheinside, and if you know Peak Mill, she's a Nigerian American YouTuber. She used to shop a lot on this site, and I used to say to myself, what fabulous pieces, and I cannot wait to try them. Fast forward about 10 years now guys, this is when I've just decided to try out this online site, and they're now called Shein. Now guys, I decided to try them out because I've seen so many different girls on here buying fabulous pieces, and from the prices I'm like, why am I not shopping on this site? So I finally decided to try them out, and of course I'll be trying on these pieces for you guys so you can see how they fit. Guys, I am so impressed with what I bought. Mind you, it's a lot of things on this site, so you have to filter through and make sure that you know what you're looking for. Otherwise you'll be flustered because it's just so many things to choose from on this site guys. But I promise you, they have amazing pieces, affordable pieces, and girl, it's summer and you got to get your stuff for summer. Okay, summer, you know, requires a little bit of skin showing and all that good stuff, so make sure that you go ahead and check them out guys. I can't wait to show you the pieces that I've picked up. I'm super excited, and I cannot believe that I waited this long to shop on Shein. But you know what they say, better late than never. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this haul so you can see the fabulous pieces that your girl has picked up. So stay tuned. You ready guys? I am ready. So the first piece I'm going to show you is this dress. I'm just picking them out randomly, no rhyme or reason. So the first dress I'm going to show you is this one right here guys. It's a mini dress. It's quite a stretchy material, and it has the gathering at the side right here. It has the gathering at the side right there, but you can't pull it up. This is just there as style. And it's a spaghetti strap, and it's a blue sort of animal print sort of dress. So that's what it looks like, you guys. Very comfortable dress. It has stretch. It's true to size. I am a size UK 8, or a small in American size, which is about size 6 I'd say. Yes, I think I'm about size 6. I'll check on that, but usually I'm a size small, which is a UK 8, and this, my friends, fits so perfect. You will see how it looks when I try it on, but it looks amazing. The only thing I'm a bit about is the exposed outside right here, but I guess it's the style. I don't know if you guys can see it. They've got like the exposed sewing at the front right here. Can you see it? I'm hoping that you guys can see it. Yeah, so that's the only thing I'm not too keen on, but I do like the dress. I think the exposed sewing on the front is the trend, but this dress, you guys, fits amazing, and I love how soft the material is as well. And as I said, it's true to size. So yes, I love this dress. I'll be wearing this for summer. I love these dresses for summer because they're such fun and comfortable dresses to wear. You can dress them up and you can dress them down, so I'm excited for that. I love dresses, as you guys probably know, but I'm going to jump into this one right here. It's a, what you call this, it's like a leopard print dress, and it's like a bandeau dress. Of course, it has a bit of stretch, and it's true to size as well. Size small, UK 8. It can be worn as sort of a midi dress, which is over the knees, and then it can be worn as a mini dress. So you can pull up the sides right here, guys. Let me just undo that. You can pull up the sides right here. You see where it is? You can pull it up and stretch it down like that. So you can get a longer dress out of it as well as a shorter dress if you pull up the sides like that and then you tie it. So it has the front right here, which is for the boob. Very nice stretch, very soft material. So it has these two sides right here. And I am loving this dress. I am a big fan of animal prints. And this is what the dress looks like. And as I said, it's sort of like a bandeau styled leopard print dress, which can be a mini as well as a midi dress. So I love this, guys. I can't remember the prices, but they were really, really affordable. I will put the prices on the screen if I can find the receipt. But this is so soft. The material is so nice and it just sits on the body very, very comfortably. I love these dresses, you guys. So I'm really, really impressed with this one as well. All right, my lovelies, so I picked up this cord set. I love me some cord because it's so easy. You don't have to think about what you're going to wear at the bottom or the top. It just comes like this and you just put it on and you're good to go. So this is a skirt cord. It has the sort of elastic at the side right there. You can't adjust it. It's just how it is. And then it comes with the matching top, which is a spaghetti styled top as well. The thing about this, guys, I like the fact that it's not like the top is not really short and you can pull the skirt up to meet the top, because sometimes I don't really want to be showing too much skin. So this is perfect because the top and the bottom, you can pull them together so it doesn't really show skin. But if you choose to have, show a bit of skin, of course you can adjust the skirt a bit, like under your waist. But yeah, so I love this right here, this two-piece, nice material. It's sort of like a marbled print. Is that what they call it? It's sort of like a marble print. Again, this is a size small. It's a size small, sorry, US 4. So I am really a US 4, which is a size small, and a UK 8. So yes, I am loving this as well, and I can't wait to style it. I think I'll be styling this with a pair of nude heels for like a date night or something. So this is perfect, you guys. Nice material as well, and I don't know how they will wash, but of course you have to look at the instructions on how to wash them. But cheap and cheerful. Well, not really cheap, but affordable. I like to use the word affordable. So yes to this cord set right here. And they've got loads of cords, you guys. Oh, check them out. Next, we have another cord, you guys, but this is more like a beachy type cord set. It's like a long trousers, and it has these slits on the side. It has a tie at the back. So this is the front, basically, you guys. You will see it in the picture in the video. So that's the bottom, and it has these slits at the front right there. And of course it has a little protective like shorts underneath it, so your underwear doesn't peek through. And it has like a little tie top, which it's not for the faint-hearted. But this is like if you're going for a holiday on like a an island or something. This would be perfect for hot days. So you tie the front and you put this on with your nice trousers and you're good to go, guys. The only thing is, I thought that this green would be a little bit more vibrant, but it's not. It's sort of like a lighter green, which doesn't matter because it's a lovely material and a lovely color nonetheless. So it is fine for me, but I kind of thought that it would have been a much bolder green. Nonetheless, I love it. It's a really nice, what would you call this material? Like chiffon material, something like that. So yes, this is perfect for like a, vacation somewhere in the tropics. So if you're going on vacation, Shein is a perfect place to find all your summer wear and your holiday wear. So yes to this as well. Then of course we have this romper right here. It's a cute little romper. It has these spaghetti straps right here. Then it has a little peekaboo at the front, and then at the back as well it has like a tie, so it exposes your back, just showing a little bit of skin, not too much. and this would be perfect for a vacation on an island somewhere. I love rompers because they're so easy to wear. Again, you can dress them up or dress them down depending on where you're going. So this is such a cute little romper. It has the adjustable strap right here, so you can pull it up or pull it down, whichever way you fancy. And the material is such a nice material as well. It's well made and it's a really nice piece from Shein. Love it. Guys, I am so impressed because I was scared that the sizes wouldn't fit, but so far all the sizes, which is a size 8, as UK size 8, which is a US size 4, all the sizes have fit true to size. So I'm really happy about that because I didn't really want to return anything. I hate returning stuff. So the fact that these actually fit perfectly, I am really pleased. However, guys, make sure that you check the reviews, because sometimes people will tell you that they're not true to size or they're true to size, and that is a way in which you can, you know, decide if it's going to actually fit you. So make sure that you check the reviews underneath every piece of item so you can know whether or not they're true to size. Check the material as well. I personally like to check for any material that has elastane in it, because then you know it will have a little bit of stretch and it will fit. So make sure that you check all those things before you go ahead and buy. That's key. So the last guys, the last piece of clothing I bought is this top. You know, I couldn't buy anything without buying a top. And this is it's meant to be like a crop top, but it's not very short. You can wear this with, you know, high-waisted trousers or some high-waisted skirt. Very pretty material. I love, like, what do you call this? Is it like abstract? I love the colors. You can wear this with just about anything because it will just, you know, the color, the top will just pop. It's a long sleeve, very nice material. It feels very well made. And then that's, you know, it's got like a round neck. Beautiful top. It fits comfortably. I was thinking that I should have ordered a size 10, but when I actually put it on, it fits nicely. So I'm pleased with this. It's a size 8, which is a US 4, and it fits perfectly. If you're not into crop top, you may not like this, but if you wear a lot of high-waisted stuff, you can get away with this top. Very nice. The sleeve, I love that the sleeves stop right at my wrist right here, which is key. I don't like when it's too short or too long. Perfect. So yes, I love this top, guys. The last pieces I bought are some jewelry. I bought some earrings because I love earrings. If you notice, I don't wear a lot of jewelry. The only thing that I tend to wear a lot are earrings. So I picked up a few earrings. I'm not going to try them on, you guys, because, you know, it's just too much work. I'm just going to pull them out the packet and show you how they look. They've got so many earrings, you guys. I was just like, too many things. So I picked up these black and gold earrings right here. Sorry about the light. They are very nice, very classy, and I cannot wait to wear these. I picked up these, you guys. Let me, it's too bright. Somehow I thought they were going to be bigger. Can you see them? Somehow I thought they were going to be bigger, guys, but they're quite small. I'm disappointed because these would have been really nice if they were like really big ones. But they're really nice. It's like a lilac and gold, and I love that. Lilac is so on trend right now. And then I picked up these dangly silver ones as well. Love me some dangly earrings. Cannot wait to wear these, you guys. I'm getting so many ideas in my head. So yes, I picked up these silver ones. I picked up these red ones as well. I thought they were really cute, and I have a dress that I'd like to wear them with. Very lightweight. Cannot wait to wear these. I have a dress that these would go perfect with. And then I picked up these gold ones as well. Picked up these gold ones as well. And the final piece, you guys, are these green ones. Green's very much on trend right now. I picked up these green ones. They're so elegant. And I cannot wait to wear these, guys. I'm so like, I cannot wait. Really. So yeah. Alright, my lovely, so that is the end of this try on haul from Shein. I do hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know which pieces you like the best, and of course do let me know if you've shopped at Shein or if you're planning to shop at Shein. Guys, when I tell you I'm impressed, that is an understatement. I'm trying my best not to go back on my computer this very minute and just load up my cart. I'm so tempted, but I'm just going to take a break because I've been buying a lot of stuff and I have to take a break from shopping because your girl don't want to be a pauper. So I'm going to take a little break, but I will definitely go back and pick up some more stuff from Shein. I love that site. It's a lot to go through, as I said, but their pieces are affordable and so amazing. And I love that. You guys know that I'm all about affordability and amazing pieces. So yes, I am so excited to wear these out, you guys. So let me know which piece was your favorite. Let me know what you thought of the try and haul. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, turn the notifications on, leave me a comment to let me know if you have any requests for any other videos. Let me know in the comment section down below. Of course, thumbs up this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.